Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Lock Screen. Over here, pick Screen Lock Type and select one of the options, swipe Pattern, PIN or Password. I will go with Pattern, so I have to click on it, then draw my pattern, click Continue, draw it again and select Confirm. Over here, you can adjust notifications on your lock screen or turn them off completely by clicking on the switcher next to On. Then click Done. If you want to back up your pattern, click Agree and log in into your Samsung account. But I don't want to do that, so I will just turn off my screen. And now when I turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!